Hey everybody, welcome to Theory Thursday. My name is Alex Bourne from Rockwell Guitar School in Shoreview, Minnesota. This is lesson number 24, and this is a review of the previous 3 lessons. If you haven't done that, please go back and do it. It will help you a ton. All right, let's jump into it. Let's just do a couple of these questions. They're all activities that you've done before. First, we have some fill in the blanks. Once again, this is from the book Practical Theory Complete by Sandy Feldstein. You can get it on Amazon. Make sure you get the complete version though, because they sell it in parts 1 and 2. And if you get one of those accidentally, you're not going to have half of the book. Okay? You're only going to have half of it. So make sure you get the complete version. All right, first question. An eighth note looks like a quarter note with a blank added to its stem. Okay, so I think you could have, well, the correct answer here is the blank should be flag with a flag added to its stem. So um, the reason I hesitated on that is I thought there could be 2 correct answers. You could say a flag or a beam. However, if we look at this question, 2 or more eighth notes are joined together by that one should be beam. So the correct answer here should be flag and beam. Okay, remember, eighth notes, quarter notes, whole notes, half notes, they're all fractions. Okay, so go back and grasp that concept, and rhythms will be infinitely easier. Okay, so you should be able to breeze through these 3 questions here if you understand the fractions principle. 2 eighth notes equal 1 quarter note. 4 eighth notes equal 2 quarter notes. I'm not going to give you all the answers, but yeah. Okay, answer each problem with only 1 note. Okay, so you're going to add the 2 notes together and write an equivalent with just 1 note. Let's do one of these. So we got 1 beat here. Okay, this should be 4/4 by the way. 1 beat here, and this should be half a beat. So 1.5 beats total. 1 note equivalent is going to be a dotted quarter note. Okay, so a dot. If you dot a note, that whole package is 1 note. Okay, so the dot does not count as another note, in case you're wondering. It just belongs to the note that it affects. Okay, so for example, this is one note right here. I'm not going to say it's 1 whole note because it's a dotted quarter, but this is 1 note and this is another note. Okay, so here you have a beat and a half. Okay, because that dot adds half the duration, so it's 1 beat plus a half, 1.5 plus another half equals 2. Okay, so 1 note that equals 2 beats is going to be a half note in 4/4 time. So go ahead and figure out the rest here. Answer each problem with only 1 note. So same thing, except now we have subtraction. Okay, so 2 beats minus half a beat equals, should be 1.5 beats. So 1.5 beats, remember, a quarter note is 1 beat, and a dot is going to be half a beat. That'll be your answer, a dotted quarter right here. Go out and fill out the rest. Number 9, write the correct time signature for each of the following measures. So each of these measures is correct except the time signature is missing. So what you need to do is count the number of beats in each measure and write the time signature. So if it has 2 beats, it's going to be 2/4. If it has 3 beats, it's going to be 3/4. If it has 4 beats, it's going to be 4/4. Okay? All right, moving on. Write the following rhythm on the blank staff using any notes you wish. Okay? So this is a percussion clef. Okay? It only indicates rhythm. Okay? No pitches. So you have a rhythm dictated for you right here, and you need to find notes for this. I mean, there's no right or wrong answer in the notes that you choose. However, some answers might be more creative or artistic, but you need to use these rhythms. So you're going to find a dotted quarter you're going to put a dotted quarter anywhere on the staff, okay? It could be right here on A, it could be, right here on E, wherever you want, okay? And then you're going to find another note and make it an eighth note, okay? So hopefully your answer, you have a little room for creativity here. Hopefully you can maybe find a piano or something and make something that sounds nice with this rhythm right here, okay? So have fun with that, and if you have any questions, hit me up in the comments, all right? Have a great weekend.